Here. Ah! And I dropped it. Hello everybody, this is Brooklyn from Brooklyn Cooking and Adventures. Tacos. Mexican Birria tacos, kind of. This is just the way we make them anyways.
What my husband calls it.
That's what my husband calls it. Blaxican. So I'm gonna put some oil right here. I'm gonna spread it around a little bit. Alrighty. Alright, so I'm gonna take this tortilla shell and kind of like put it in the oil, get it frying. I'm gonna take some of this meat right here, spread it on there. You know, fill that sucker up. You know, be generous. You know, we're all adults here. Put some cheese in there, you know, to kind of form it together. And then we're gonna fold them. I'm gonna fold these bad boys. I'm going to press it down with a fork. Get my little thingy here. There we go. Get that extra meat off there. Don't want no burnt meat, guys. Listen to it sizzle. Oh, this shit's fire. Fire. Ah! And I dropped it. Ah! I dropped it again. Sorry. My bad, guys. Alright, we're going to get another tortilla and do the same thing we just did. I gather some of the oil, get it saturated. Flip her around, get some more pork and beef, put it in here, get some cheese up in there, so it can, you know, bind together pretty good, and give her a little smush right there. She wanted to be thick. She wanted to be coming out, but we gotta get it, you know, together and get her looking halfway decent. We can't have an ugly taco, guys. Let that sizzle right there real quick. We're gonna set him right there. And just cook a little longer. It's a little flimsy still. Put that right there. Get another one of these joints. Swirl it around a little bit. You know, have fun with your food a little bit. And grab it. Bam. Alright, I think we need to. We need to turn this bad boy. Yep. Whew. The tortillas is gone. I just had a brain fart. Forgot what I was doing. Yeah. There's some cheese to that bad boy. You know, do a whole deep turn. Hold it real quick. So she kind of sticks. It's getting hot. It's gonna be fire. a little better. frying this stuff first. So get the oil mixed around on my tortillas. Get it turned around. Alright, let's tack a little done. She's a little thick, so I'm gonna leave her on there for a little bit longer. Alright, pops me. That's cool though. Get some cheese in that bad boy. And do what we gotta do. Do a little. There we go. And that's cooking. It's going to be 2 for each of us. We had a pretty big late lunch, so we're really not that hungry. So, put that this way. I'm gonna put this first. Ooh. I'm gonna turn this bad boy off.